Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Darius from DariusCooks.tv, and we're still doing keto cooking, but I'm trying to give you alternatives and things that tantalize your taste buds. So today, I got a jerk shrimp recipe that I really hope you're going to enjoy, along with a cilantro lime cauliflower rice. The two together, I mean, just insane. Let's go. First, let's deal with the rice. So I got my skillet here, and I'm gonna get them on. All right, once the pan is hot, we're gonna start by adding in some oil. And then I got a little garlic I'm gonna throw in here too, some fresh garlic. Get the flavors going with that. Let's season it up right now with a little bit of salt. A lot of cauliflower rice, a lot of salt, okay? And some pepper. Let's throw in a couple tablespoons of butter and give that a stir. And that garlic starts to really smell almost right away, which is great. All right, we don't want too much color on the garlic, just a little bit, but let's throw the rice in, the cauliflower rice. Just like that. All right, and then we'll give this a good stir. Just like that. All right, let's throw in some fresh cilantro. And then let's do some fresh squeezed lime juice. All right, we'll just give this a stir. And we'll let this cook on low heat just until it all cooks through, warms through. And this will be great to go on the bottom of the plate for our shrimp. All right, speaking of shrimp, I got a skillet that's nice and hot. I'm gonna go ahead and add the oil right into the skillet. All right, once the pan is hot, the oil is hot, in go the shrimp. Watch out, okay, because this is hot. All right, in go some garlic with the hot shrimp. I told you it was hot, okay? We really cooking around here. I have some jerk seasoning that I'm gonna add just for flavor, all right, and oomph. A little bit of salt and some black pepper. All right, and let's give this a stir. All right, now one of the things I think we should definitely add into the whole situation is a little tequila, okay? Because I think tequila, lime with the rice, jerk, it's all gonna go really well together. And then let's put a little flame to it, and we'll let all the alcohol sort of cook out. It's gonna make a delicious, beautiful sauce. And then right toward the end of the flame, I got a little bit of the cream of coconut milk that I'm gonna add right into here, and then give that a really good stir. And that's gonna help make our sauce really good. You know what time it is, okay? So the cauliflower rice is so flavorful that, like, is this cauliflower? Or is, it don't taste like it to me. It's so good with that lime juice and the garlic. And come on, shrimp. Come on. Listen, let me tell you something. This shrimp, you gotta try it. This is amazing. Juicy, see what I'm saying? A little spice, but it's real nice. You gotta give it a try. Recipes like this, you know what they're gonna be on the website, okay? DariusCooks.tv. Two things I wanna tell you, as I always do. Food is my life, life is my food. Until next time, I gotta wish you a happy cooking. From my heart to yours. Bye, y'all.